Okay, so that first example showed you what happens when they give you two angles on one side. Now let me show what happens when they give you two sides and one angle. So this is number 17 on page 406. And this is what they give you. Big A is 36 degrees. Little a is 8. Little b is 5. Okay? Now, I don't know what big B and big C are because I don't know. I need to know at least two angles to find the third one. Okay? So we're going to have to do the other way. Okay? So again, you could, since I know big A and little a, that means I'm either going to use sine of 36 over 8, or I'm going to use or I'm going to use 8 over sine of 36. Okay, so, well, I need to find big B, big C, and little c. Okay, well, I can't find these two first since I need to know one of them in order to find the other one. So that leaves me with finding big B first. Okay, so since I'm looking for an angle, then I want to do this one. So I am going to do sine of 36 over 8 equals sine of b over 5. Okay, cross multiply, and we get 8 sine of b equals 5 sine of 36. Divide by 8, divide by 8. Sine of b equals this. Okay, so let's put this in the calculator because this requires a different step here, right? 5 sine of 36, again, make sure in degree mode, divided by 8 is 0.367 something something something, it goes on. Okay, that's not the answer, right? So what you need to do then is you need to find the one in your calculator that looks like this, sine of -1. And you find that right above sine. So you have to press second sine, and then you'll get sine of -1. And then you need to put this decimal, okay? And the best way to do that is just put above the negative sign, you'll see in blue which says A and S. If you press second in that, you'll get this on your calculator. And basically what that means is it put that whole decimal in there for you. Then you hit enter, and you will get that B equals 21.55 degrees. So B is 21.55 degrees. Okay, now that we know A and B, I can definitely find C by doing 180 minus 36 minus 21.55. Put that in the calculator, and we get 122.45 degrees. Okay, so that's the answer for B, that's the answer for C. So now I need to find little c. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. So I'm looking for little c, I'm going to put that one on the top. So A is 8 over sine of 36 equals C over sine of 122.45. Okay. Again, cross multiply and do all this. Hopefully by now you can see that there's a pattern to this, which is why I'm having you guys do it this way. C sine of 36 equals 8 sine of 122.45 divided by sine of 36 divided by sine of 36. C equals, put that in the calculator, 8 sine of 122.45, divide that by sine of 36, and you get 11.49. Now if you put 11.48, I'm not going to mark it wrong, but you should know how to round by now. And that's what happens. That's what we get. Okay, so at this point you should be able to do 5 through 22. Okay, I'm going to stop this and then show you the next part of the video, which is kind of different, and we'll go from there. So you should be able to do page 406, 5 through 22. Okay.